To invite guests and receive RSVPs, in the bottom right-hand corner, select the purple plus icon and choose Guest List. To invite guests, press the purple plus icon. To add contacts from your phone book, select the option Contact Book. Choose the contact you wish to invite and add to Guest List. To add a guest manually, select the purple icon and choose Add Manually. You can also add in an email address if you wish to send an invite via email. When done, press Add to Guest List. Once you have chosen and added all your guests to your list, in the top right, press Invite All. Down the bottom of this screen, you will see the RSVP date and numbers of those attending, not attending, or have not yet responded. Your guests will also receive a message. This message will display the event details and ask them to either accept or decline your invitation. We'll come back to this screen. Here you can see our guest has accepted the invitation.